In this video, we're showing you how to install the AlphaFlex screen protector on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Start by removing your case and any existing screen protector from your phone, if you have them. Open up the accessory kit and set out all of the components. Clean your screen with the alcohol wipe and dry it with a microfiber cloth. Use the dust sticker to dab the screen and eliminate any remaining particles. Open up the alignment tool and expand it to fit your phone. Align the top of your phone with the top of the alignment tool and slide the tool to fit around your phone. Installing AlphaFlex on your Galaxy S22 Ultra works best when your screen is active. Turn on your phone and open an app, such as Settings, so you can clearly see the active screen. Verify alignment by attaching the Screen Protector tab to the top peg and double-checking that the screen protector is even on both sides. Remove peg and use dust removal sticker to catch any new dust that may have fallen onto the device. Peel off adhesive backing with tab 1 and avoid touching the adhesive. Attach the tab to the peg and use the squeegee to affix the screen protector to the screen, sliding firmly from bottom to top, then top to bottom. Release the tab from the peg and pull the film off the screen. Gently press air bubbles to the edges of the screen protector to ensure it is attached securely.